Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Paperback Bookshelf. So this is from, I don't know if you remember, but a long time ago, I think. Not this Halloween, but the last Halloween, I unboxed something from Blue Spider's Attic, which is a bookstore that has really cool subscriptions. They have this brand new one. This is Paperback Bookshelf. This is just $16.99 a month, which is super reasonable. Inside you get one used paperback book, a snack, a beverage, like loose leaf tea, coffee, or something like that, and a scented item. So they do have other subscriptions, and I will link to them below. I will link to Paperback Bookshelf as well. I'll also see if I can try to find a coupon, because I was kind of scrolling around on their Facebook thing, and I saw like a 50% off, so I don't know if that'll be still there or active when I post this video. But I will see if I can find that for you guys. I'll also link to my full review where you can check this out in depth as always. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're getting ready for Christmas. I hope you're going to Christmas parties. I hope you're getting a little eggnogged up. I'm in a great mood. I just am, you know. I'm cleaning my house, making myself feel lighter. All right, so here we go. We open it up. It's like this. I do believe they make their own candles. I'm not certain though, because I do remember thinking like, oh, I love, and I was looking at where the candle came from, and it came from Blue Spider's Attic. It was a really beautiful candle and all that stuff. Okay, so this is the November 2018 box. Welcome to the very first Paperback Bookshelf. This is their very first, what is that, inaugural box. And then here it's going to show you all your contents. We're not going to peek. Bonus. Your bonus items this month are some things here that we're also not going to peek. We'll look at that card then once we're done. So there is a red pen here. I don't know if it's a very, very fine tip pen. I don't know what that's for yet. I'm sure it's in there for a reason though. All right. Blue Spider Books, hand-poured soy made in Mississippi, Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster. This is an 8-ounce candle. It smells like creamy, something fruity, like banana, but not banana. When I hear what it is, I'll be like, yes, that's what it is. But the yellow's throwing me off. I'm like, ooh, it's banana, but it's not. I don't know if this has to do with the actual theme of the box or the book or whatever, but we're going to find out. Ooh, yay. Okay. So first we have, and they do source all of their other items, like the snacks and the coffees, particularly from little artisanal vendors, people that put a lot of love into their craft. So this is the Book Lovers Coffee in a classic roast, just enough for those last few chapters. Oh, and it looks like that's actually the name, Book Lovers Coffee. That's the name of the roaster. And this is their just enough for those last few chapters roast. So it looks like those old time where your library, you put the card in. A lot of you might not even know about that or remember that. So before there was like electronic libraries or computers in libraries, they had a little card in your library book, and they'd stamp it, and they'd stamp the day you took it out. They'd stamp the day that you should bring it back, and I think you also had to sign it. So then that was their verification, and that went both ways. And that was how they kept track, and it looks like that. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so next we have, this is what I'm excited about. These are peach fruit crisps. These are freeze-dried. I can eat these on my diet, so I'm really excited. Who's the Brother All Natural? Never heard of this brand. Gluten-free and peanut-free. So if you guys have sensitivities, they thought about that. All right, people to avoid. Oh my gosh, it's funny. All right, so this is just a little notebook. You can jot things down in it if you're feeling pissed off or whatever. Remember, hugs are overrated. Books make the best friends. Pets never invite you to parties. Internet friends are as good as reality friends. Smiling and nodding means you are participating in a conversation. If you keep the lights turned off and don't answer the door, they will eventually go away. And it's all just lined inside. That's what our pen is for, I'm sure. And then here it says, this is from Archie McPhee, by the way, it's stamped. If found, please don't contact. And then on the back, it says, it's stamped with an introvert. That's kind of cool. I like that a lot. All right, so I'm guessing this is our book for the month. And then we do have a bookmark down here. It says, don't panic. Ooh, you know what that's from. All right. Is that what, I wonder if, no, this is way too thin. Oh, wow, it's wrapped in damask wrapping paper. Oh, my gosh. It is. Oh, wow, they fit it in. I'm surprised. Like our copy of Hitchhiker's Guide. So it's, I should say that, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. So our book is like this thick. So I thought when I saw the Don't Panic, if you've ever read Hitchhiker or seen the movie or whatever, this is like a tagline from the movie. This is like a classic sci-fi, and I do love that they brought it full circle, right? Like the Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster. So there we go. Isn't that cool? Anyway, I love this box. It's only $16.99. So for $16.99, we got our coffee. I didn't even tell you how much coffee was in there. It's 2 ounces of coffee. And it does feel like it's, no, is it it's whole bean, I think. We have the Fruit Crisps, a book, and a candle, and the little mini notebook. Let's see if I can tell you anything else that I didn't already. Welcome to the very first Paperback Bookshelf. Read The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Smell the hand-poured 8-ounce soy candle. Snack on Brothers All-Natural Freeze-Dried Fruit. And sip a sample of your choice of coffee, tea, or cocoa. Your bonus items are a mini journal for plotting all your space adventures and a pen. And in a nifty color, too. So there you go. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have all that stuff linked for you if you so desire to check it out. I will see you next time. Bye.